my subscribers, I'm back. Here's another teddy bear I'm gonna do. This one's gonna have a bigger smile with sharp teeth, but I still don't know what to do with it, but it's gonna have probably green blood. And it's more gonna be like a cartoon style, not so realistic, like the last one, but yeah. Later on I will order custom doll eyes to make it better, but for now I just gotta use what I got. So yeah, I use a normal cutter, cut inside more, and like I said, all the colors I use be acrylic mixed with latex. Because the acrylic is also waterproof and it sticks well when mixed with latex. So yeah, let's see how it turns out, because like I said, it's going to be freestyle and no idea what it's going to look like. See you next clip. Okay, well I got my cutter here, and I cut his mouth big. So I want to have a big smile, but it's not going to be that gory like the other one. The inside is probably going to be some pinkish, not too sure, but the teeth I'll be using nails, like these cheap nails you get in, that girls put in their, you girls put in your fingers, nail extensions, yeah. Using that for teeth. But for now, just give him a lot of teeth. I don't know if I'll give him a tongue coming out. Later on, I will purchase some skulls. That'd be cool to put a skull inside, but for now, just teeth. But yeah, let's see how it goes. See you next clip. Okay, I'm back. Just finished the teddy bear. So I cut one arm off one side and just make it look like he's eating his own arm. The hand can move, this hand, but my one hand's on my camera and the other hand's on the bear, but yeah, it looks like he's just taking a munch of his own hand. This one, I think this one's gonna call it "You Are What You Eat." Later I'll be getting some custom eyes to be done, but for now, yeah. Like I said, these sharp teeth are the nail extensions. I just cut them sharp. Yeah, it's okay for, I don't have much supply on me, but please let me know what you think. Later on I'll be doing some other types with horns and all that, but using foam. But I think it looks pretty cool. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment or subscribe. And like I said, I'll be doing many different kind of things on my channel. I used to do things like airbrush helmet and all that, but now I'll be doing many more stuff. So thank you for watching. Take care.
Oh.